It's very nice weather. We come back fishing here. Looks very comfortable. Okay, as usual, we check out our fishing gear. Today I use very light fishing gear. This one is Topwater. The casting lure weight is 0.5 to 4 gram. The line is 1 to 2 kilo. So it's very light rod, very beautiful rod. And the reel is the 1000, the very light small reel, like this one. Looks nice. And the P9 just 0.6, and leader is just 4 pound. So first I will try and use soft plastic Z-Man. Yeah, so the jig head is about 2 gram, so it's very light one. Okay, just trying to play with some small fish. Okay, try. Got a fish. Got a very big fish. Gosh. What kind of this fish? Looks beautiful. It's a very big fish. Yeah, soft plastic. It's a Flathead. Thank you. The fish. Oh, it's a fish. What kind of this fish? Another flathead. Oh. Another big flathead. So this lure will be, this line is not for so big fish. Will broken directly. If you want to take the fish, the line will broken. Oh. Okay. Better you go yourself. I don't want to take you out of the water. It's hard for me. I know it's very hard. Okay. It's hard. Oh shit. No. Got one. Yes. Oh no. I like white. You give me a flathead. Oh my gosh. No. on here. I don't nautical. Yes, yeah, soft plastic. Thank you. Got one. Yes, another flathead. Okay, thank you. Okay, I change it to this lure. Yeah. Before lure is just 2 grams. This lure is about 5 grams, so can cast further because now it's windy. So we need to use a heavier lure. Yeah, 5 grams to cast it further. Otherwise it's hard. Okay, try. Taylor. Yeah, Topwater, Taylor. It's a nice Taylor.